Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel Super Chef's Easy Cookbook. Friends, today I will show you how to prepare authentic restaurant style vegetable Hakka noodles. To get the perfect results, watch this video till the end for the detailed recipe and added tips. I'm also adding the entire detailed recipe in the description box for you to follow later. Now let's get started. Vegetable Hakka noodles. We need Ching's Hakka noodles around 500 grams, 1 cup of colorful bell peppers, yellow, red, orange and green. I have mixed all together and they form a cup. It's up to you, your individual choice, whatever you like to use. Carrot 1/4 cup, the shredded. String beans 1/4 cup shredded. Cabbage 1/2 cup shredded. Spring onions 2 to 3 bulbs sliced. Onion 1 small sliced. Sesame oil 2 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1 1/2 tablespoon. Red chili paste 1 tablespoon. Chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. Chopped garlic 1/4 cup. Vegetable oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Salt and pepper to taste. To start with, we will first boil the water. Add some salt and oil. Around a teaspoon of oil. And gently add noodles to it. The water is boiling and the noodles are getting softer. At this point, we have to separate them with the help of the fork very gently so that the noodles do not break. Noodles are soft. I will switch off the gas right now and will drain them out and rinse them under cold water. Rinse out the entire hot water out and will run the cold water over it so that it stops cooking. At the same time, keep stirring it and make sure that each and every noodle is covered with the cold water. The noodles are nice, cold and separated. I am adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to give it a glaze, and the noodles will not stick to each other once I add the oil to it. In a wok, I will be adding sesame oil around 1 1/2 tablespoon, some garlic to it, this is the preparation of noodles. We are first preparing the noodles and then we'll be preparing the vegetables and mixing the both and further cooking them for a minute or two or frying them together. Garlic is ready. I'm not browning it as such, just little bit of cooking it little slightly, adding soy sauce, red chili paste, chili sauce, sit for now and mix it well. Add noodles to the oil and garlic mixture. After adding the noodles, toss it well so that each and every strand of the noodle is covered with the oil and the sauces. Noodles are tossed well. I have added slight salt to it to enhance its taste. Our tossed noodles are kept aside, and now I have already heated a wok. I am adding oil, vegetable oil from all around the wok. be adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add rest of the garlic to it. Saute it well. We'll add some onions. Saute well with the garlic. We'll add some string beans, carrot and cabbage. Mix all the vegetables well. The heat should be constantly on a high heat. Chinese tastes very good if it's cooked on high heat. The reason why we cook Chinese on a high heat is to get the crispiness in the vegetables. All we need is just to give a little crisp taste to the vegetables, not cook it totally and make it soft and mushy. Finally, I'll be adding the colorful bell peppers. Mix them well. Now all our vegetables are in the wok. Heat them well, cook them well. Add some salt, some pepper. The mixture is almost ready. Finally, I'm adding vinegar to it. Mix well. Now I will be combining both the vegetables and noodles together. Now is the stage of mélange, that is, we are going to mix the vegetables, cooked vegetables, along with the noodles. This is the easiest part. All I did is mix the tossed noodles with sauteed vegetables. Our noodles are ready to serve. Garnish the noodles with spring onions and serve them hot. Tips to get the perfect results. Toss the noodles separately with the sauces to enhance its flavor. To retain the color of vegetable, saute and season the vegetables separately as shown to you in this video. In this recipe, I have not used Ajinomoto or MSG and sherry. If you wish to add, you can definitely add it. Without adding them, we are getting a perfect restaurant style flavor. Try this recipe and do let me know in the comment section how your vegetable Hakka noodles turned out. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to click onto the bell icon. Thank you and happy cooking!